Keeping your car clean can be a challenge, but with the right vacuum cleaner, it's never been easier. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best car vacuum cleaners to help you find the perfect one for your needs. Let's dive in. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Baseus AT Car Vacuum Cleaner. The Baseus AT Car Vacuum Cleaner is a versatile device that goes beyond traditional vacuuming. With its 4-in-1 functionality, powerful motor, and ergonomic design, it promises to be a valuable tool for car owners and home users alike. But does it live up to the hype? Let's examine the pros and cons of this multi-purpose cleaning tool. Pros: multi-purpose functionality. One of the standout aspects of the Baseus AT is its ability to function as a vacuum cleaner, inflator, air pump, and wind blower. This versatility eliminates the need for multiple devices, making it a convenient option for various cleaning and maintenance tasks. Powerful suction performance. The turbocharged DC motor, running at 45,000 RPM, provides a suction power of 5,000 Pa. This ensures efficient removal of dust, dirt, and small debris from car interiors and household surfaces. Decent battery life. With up to 20 minutes of battery life, the Baseus AT can handle most quick cleaning tasks without needing frequent recharges. This makes it a practical option for those looking for a portable solution. Ergonomic and user-friendly design. The 3T-shaped streamlined body improves grip and ease of use, making extended cleaning sessions more comfortable. The compact design also allows for easy storage in cars or small spaces. Advanced safety features. Equipped with an AI dual-core intelligent control chip, the device offers enhanced safety monitoring. It is also built with composite flame-retardant materials, allowing it to withstand high temperatures up to 75 C, adding durability and security. Cons: limited battery runtime. While 20 minutes of battery life is sufficient for quick tasks, it may not be enough for deep cleaning sessions or multiple uses in one go, requiring frequent recharging. The Baseus AT Car Vacuum Cleaner is an innovative and practical tool for those seeking a compact, multifunctional cleaning device. Its combination of vacuuming, inflating, and blowing functions makes it a space-saving and convenient solution for everyday use. Coming in at number 4, the Cenrr Car Vacuum Cleaner. The Cenrr Car Vacuum Cleaner is not just an ordinary vacuum, it's a multifunctional tool designed to provide convenience and efficiency for car and home cleaning. With its strong suction power, long battery life, and versatile attachments, this vacuum offers a range of useful features. But is it the right choice for you? Let's explore the pros and cons. Pros: multi-purpose functionality. One of the standout features of the Cenrr Car Vacuum Cleaner is its versatility. Besides vacuuming, it can also blow dust and even pump air, making it a handy tool for multiple tasks, such as inflating tires or clearing debris from tight spaces. High-power suction. Equipped with a high-speed brushless motor, this vacuum delivers a powerful suction of 360,000 Pa. This ensures deep and efficient cleaning, easily removing dust, dirt, and debris from car interiors, upholstery, and other surfaces. Efficient air duct design. The DC air duct wind rail reduces vacuum resistance, optimizing suction performance while minimizing energy loss. This design makes cleaning faster and more effective, saving both time and effort. Long battery life. Powered by a 6,000 mAh lithium battery, the Cenrr Car Vacuum Cleaner boasts extended battery life, allowing for prolonged cleaning sessions without the hassle of frequent recharging. This feature is especially useful for tackling larger cleaning tasks. Interchangeable nozzles. The inclusion of multiple suction nozzles enhances adaptability, allowing users to switch between attachments for different cleaning scenarios. Whether dealing with tight corners, fabric surfaces, or larger areas, this vacuum provides the right tool for the job. Cons: potentially bulky for some users. While its multifunctionality is a plus, having additional features like air pumping and dust blowing might make the vacuum slightly bulkier compared to simpler models. The Cenrr Car Vacuum Cleaner stands out as a powerful and versatile cleaning tool, making it an excellent choice for those looking for more than just a standard vacuum. Its strong suction, long battery life, and multifunctional design make it a valuable asset for car and home cleaning. At number 3, we have the Szuk Car Vacuum Cleaner. The Szuk Car Vacuum Cleaner is a compact yet powerful cleaning device designed for both car and home use. With a high-power motor, long-lasting battery, and versatile charging options, it aims to provide an efficient and convenient cleaning experience. But does it live up to expectations? Let's dive into the pros and cons. Pros: strong suction power. Equipped with a high-power motor, the Szuk Car Vacuum Cleaner delivers impressive suction, making it highly effective at picking up dirt, dust, and debris. Whether you're tackling crumbs in your car or dust on household surfaces, this vacuum ensures a thorough clean. Long battery life. With a 6,000 mAh battery, the Szuk provides extended usage time, allowing you to clean without constantly needing to recharge. This is particularly beneficial for larger cleaning tasks or multiple uses throughout the day. Convenient charging options. One of the standout features of this vacuum is its multiple charging methods, including USB Type-C. This allows for faster charging and more flexibility, enabling you to recharge it at home, in your car, or on the go. Dual-purpose functionality. Designed for both car and home cleaning, the Szuk eliminates the need for multiple devices. Its versatility makes it a cost-effective solution for those who want a single vacuum that can handle different cleaning scenarios. Portable and easy to use. Despite its powerful performance, the Szuk is lightweight and compact, making it easy to maneuver and store. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, reducing fatigue during extended use. Cons: limited dustbin capacity. Given its compact design, the Szuk's dustbin is relatively small. This means frequent emptying is required, which can be inconvenient, especially during large cleaning tasks. The Szuk Car Vacuum Cleaner is a well-rounded cleaning device that offers strong suction power, long battery life, and versatile charging options. Its dual-purpose functionality and portability make it a convenient choice for users looking for an efficient cleaning solution. Next up at number 2 is the Xiomi Car Vacuum Cleaner. The Xiomi Car Vacuum Cleaner is a compact yet powerful device designed to keep your vehicle and home spotless. With its upgraded suction power, lightweight build, and long battery life, this vacuum cleaner offers a convenient and efficient cleaning experience. But like any product, it comes with both advantages and drawbacks. Let's take a closer look at the pros and cons of the Xiomi Car Vacuum Cleaner. Pros: powerful suction performance. One of the standout features of this vacuum is its impressive suction power, reaching up to 15 kPa. Whether you need to remove stubborn dust from car seats or tackle cobwebs in high corners, this device handles a wide range of cleaning tasks with ease. Lightweight and easy to carry. Weighing only 1.6 pounds, the Xiomi Car Vacuum Cleaner is incredibly lightweight. Its cordless design adds to its portability, making it easy to maneuver around tight spaces and transport between locations without the hassle of tangled wires. Long battery life with fast charging. Equipped with multiple 2,000 mAh lithium-ion batteries, this vacuum provides up to 60 minutes of continuous cleaning. The fast charging capability ensures it is quickly ready for the next use, minimizing downtime. LED lighting for dark areas. Cleaning under car seats or in dimly lit spaces is no longer a challenge, thanks to the built-in LED lights. These lights help illuminate dark corners, ensuring no dirt is left behind. Cons: not ideal for heavy-duty cleaning. While the Xiomi Car Vacuum Cleaner is great for light to moderate cleaning tasks, it may struggle with larger debris or heavy-duty messes, making it less suitable for deep cleaning projects. The Xiomi Car Vacuum Cleaner is a solid choice for those seeking a lightweight, portable, and efficient cleaning tool for their car and home. Its powerful suction, long battery life, and useful accessories make it a versatile option for everyday cleaning tasks. Finally, at number 1, we have the Baseus AP02 Car Vacuum Cleaner. The Baseus AP02 car vacuum cleaner is a powerful and versatile cleaning tool designed for both home and car use. With a high-powered motor, a specialized electric rubber roller brush, and multiple accessories, it promises to deliver efficient cleaning performance. But does it live up to expectations? Let's explore its pros and cons. Pros: high power performance. The Baseus AP02 features a 160W motor that delivers strong suction, effectively picking up debris such as dust, crumbs, and pet hair. This ensures a deep and thorough cleaning experience across various surfaces. Electric rubber roller brush. Unlike traditional bristle brushes that tend to get tangled with hair, the electric rubber roller brush efficiently removes adhesive hair without clogging. This feature is particularly beneficial for pet owners or those who frequently clean car interiors. Multiple brush head accessories. The inclusion of multiple brush head attachments enhances the vacuum's adaptability to different cleaning tasks. Whether you're cleaning carpets, upholstery, or tight spaces, there is a suitable accessory for the job. Large dustbin capacity. With a 1000 ml dustbin, this vacuum can handle extended cleaning sessions without frequent emptying. This makes it an ideal choice for large cleaning tasks, such as deep cleaning a car or an entire room. LED light for dark areas. A built-in LED light helps illuminate dark spaces like under car seats and furniture, making cleaning more effective and convenient. Portable and lightweight design. Despite its powerful motor and large dustbin, the Baseus AP02 is lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry and store. It's an excellent choice for those who need a portable yet powerful vacuum. Cons: short battery life. While it delivers strong suction, the battery life may not be sufficient for extensive cleaning sessions, requiring frequent recharges, especially when used for larger areas. The Baseus AP02 car vacuum cleaner is an excellent choice for those seeking a powerful and portable vacuum with specialized features like an electric rubber roller brush and LED lighting.